So we start off today's video with this gorgeous blonde pixie haircut. The stylist is doing a beautiful asymmetrical shape for this one, loving her bright blonde strands. Absolutely stunning makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more short hairstyles, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So here we have someone, they have a pixie undercut. Oh, she decided to try out the faded hair trend, loving the bright platinum. She ended up dyeing her hair. Gorgeous. And then we move into this beautiful pixie. I love the amount of height and volume that this one has. Great option if you do have hair that is on the thinner side and you're looking to add some more volume to it. Beautiful cut and styling option. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another hair transformation, beautiful ash blonde bob haircut. I love the amount of fullness that this has. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. And then we see someone with shoulder length curly hair decide to chop their hair off into this platinum finger wig pixie style. Very cute. And then next up we do have another pixie undercut. Looks like she has some purple going there at the top. Really pretty color work. Followed by another hair transformation. Oh, she ended up going bright blonde with the finger waves. Gorgeous. Loving the retro vibe with that style. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. And it looks like the stylist ends up doing a beautiful pixie bob haircut. Very popular hair trend for 2023. A great option if you are having trouble deciding between getting a bob and a pixie. It's also a great way to grow out a pixie as well. And then we have a bit of a pixie mullet variation in hot pink. Wow, absolutely gorgeous color. Definitely not for anyone that likes to play it safe, but I think that this is such a gorgeous color. And then we have another hair transformation. So she does have her natural salt and pepper hair coloring. Another beautiful pixie bob with the swoop bangs going in the front. And then we see someone with gorgeous dark copper hair coloring. Cut their hair into this beautiful pixie style. Such a gorgeous cut and color combination. Next up, another haircut transformation. Oh, looks like the stylist is doing a really short pixie for this one. Bit of a spiky texture that was created. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.